Hey, what's up guys? So guys, recently Salesforce has announced its certification program in which if you will earn your first certification, then Salesforce will provide you another voucher for the next one. So guys, after this offer was launched, there were so many trailblazers asking different questions related to it, like if I'm eligible to it, when the offer is going to expire and when I will get the certificate. So guys, in this quick video, I will answer all these related questions one by one. So guys, let's start today's video. I'm Kapil, your host, and you're watching Salesforce Bold. So guys, first question is when it is going to expire. So the Salesforce certification program is for a limited time of period. It will be start from 1st of September and it will be ending on 30 November 2021. Next question, are you eligible for it? So guys, this certification program is having a specific criteria. So based on it, a candidate should be at least 18-year-old, and as well as this should be your first certification. Only in that case you will be eligible for this certification program. Next question is when you will receive your certification voucher. So guys, after verifying the eligible criteria, Salesforce will send you another certificate voucher within a month of your first exam. Question number 3 is when the certificate voucher will expire. So guys, the validity for the certificate voucher will be 6 months. After 6 months, you won't be able to take benefits of this free certification voucher. Next question is, can you give away your certificate voucher? So the answer is yes, you can share the certificate voucher with your friends or maybe a colleague, and they can have the benefits of that free certificate voucher. Next question is, what if I fail in my first exam? So guys, if you will fail in your first exam, then you may retry, you may reattempt that exam because that will be counted as your first certification exam. So in that case also you will be receiving the free certification voucher once you pass the exam. Alright guys, that's it for today. I hope I was able to answer all your questions. If you have any other question, please leave a comment below and I'll try to revert back as soon as possible. And as if you're planning to have a certificate in the month of August, then I would suggest you to wait till the September. If it is going to be your first certificate, then definitely you can have the benefit of the Salesforce certification program. I'll see you in the next one guys. Thanks for watching.